How to unsubscribe from Facebook, or maybe not. Let's face it, there's a time when you just want to cut off the constant updates or shut up those distractions out of your life. Or maybe you're just tired about all these fake news, or you don't like this Facebook behavior, not doing enough to face up hate speeches. Here's how to unsubscribe from Facebook in a few quick and easy steps. Click the top right of Facebook. Select Setting and Privacy. Choose Deactivate your account under the Security Settings menu. Click Deactivation. Choose Deactivate Account. Then click Continue to Account Deactivation and follow the instruction to confirm. Congratulations, your account is now officially deactivated.